Alright, good day everyone. So welcome back to my YouTube channel, and it's Kasalegan's Vlogs. So this day we'll be learning about finding the n-term formula for a sequence using difference table. So this is for mathematics in the modern world topic. So at this point, there are the n-term is a formula with n in it which enables you to find any term of a sequence without having to go up from one term to the next. So we need to find the formula in order for us to have an easy way of computing. So n stands for the term number. So to find the fifth term, we would just substitute 50 in the formula in place of n. So that's the use of finding the n term for us to have an easy way of computing what would be the value of the term. So we have here the difference table. The difference table is a table made by subtracting adjacent entries in a sequence, then repeating the process with those numbers. So like this. So we have subtracting this part. So we have 12 minus 0, that is equal to 12. 10 minus 12, that is negative 2, and so on. 0 minus 10, that is negative 10, until it reaches a constant here, the row of the constant. So in this case, we'll be talking about this is a cubic since the constant row is in the third difference. So let's talk about that one. So here is the steps in finding the n-term formula. First is construct a difference table. Then second is the constant row tells you the degree of polynomials. If the constant row is found in the first difference, it is linear equation, so that is degree 1. And second difference, degree 2 is quadratic, and the third difference is cubic, that is degree 3, and so on. And next is use the general formula. So we have here the presented formula. So we have linear, quadratic, and cubic. And next is solving system of equations in finding the unknown variable. So we have to note that the method described here will not work for sequences that are not polynomial sequences. There are other methods that can be used to find the formulas for certain types of non-polynomial sequences, such as exponential sequence. Again, this is applicable only for polynomial sequence with the use of difference table. So let us have first the steps in finding the n-term formula. So we have here, first is the difference table. Second is you're going to get the constant row, which is if you find the constant row, that is in what difference, whether it did the first difference, the second difference. Next is the general formula, and next is the system of equation, the RGS. Okay, so let us have first problem number 1. Assume the pattern shown by the square tiles in the following figure continuous. First, what is the n-term formula for the number of tiles in nth figure of the sequence? Second, how many tiles are there in the 8th figure of the sequence? And letter C, which figure will consist of exactly 320 tiles? So in this time, we have to create a sequence by the use of the tiles given. So let us have first, we're going to have this one as 2, and this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And it will continues here and so on. So that's why we need to find for the end figure of the sequence and the next term for this part if needed. So let us have first this one as 2, 5, 8, and 11. So if this would be, so therefore, so if this is our x is equal to 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the value for this part are x, and the value for this part are the f of x. So meaning to say that is our x and y. What is the value for x, and what is that is the dependent, and this is the independent and dependent variables. So what is the value when the value of x is 1? So therefore the value for y is 2. So therefore in the function the independent 1 will result to dependent variable 2. So first is the first process is we need to find for the difference table. So you have here, so this is 5 minus 2, that is 3, and 8 minus 5, that is 3, and 11 minus 8, that is 3. So we could say that this is linear because this set, the constant is found in the first difference. So the formula for linear is equal to ax is equal to ax plus b. So linear could be mx plus b, but we have to set this part in the sequence first. Alright, so since we're going to have linear equation, so next one is we need to have a simultaneous equation. So first, we have here the formula. Alright, so when x is equal to 1, basing on this part, so we have here ax is equal to ax plus b. Alright, so in this point, we have our ax is equal to 2 because this is our dependent variable. So we have here 2 is equal to, our a here is unknown still, and the value for x is equal to 1 plus b. So therefore 2 is equal to a plus b. Okay, so this is our equation 1. Since in linear equation there are two variables, so we need to have also two equations. So this is equation 1. So next is when x is equal to 2. So how to find the equation? By just have there 1 and 2 equation. This is number 1 equation and this number 2 equation. If you have more equations, you have 3 and 4. But since this is linear, we need to have only 2 equations here. Okay, we have the 2 equations. So when x is equal to 2, so let's substitute here. But the f of x is equal to 5. So we have here 5 equals, this is 5, this is 2, so this is 2a plus b. Why is it 2a? Because the value for x here, this is b, the value for x is equal to 2. That's why 2a plus b. And we have here 5. So this is the second equation. So to find for a and b by simultaneous equation, so we have here 5 equals 2a plus b, and 2 is equal to a plus b. So we have to subtract. So this is 3 is equal to a, and this is 0. So therefore, the value for a is equal to 3. So we have to substitute any of the equations. So let's use equation number 1. So 2 is equal to a plus b. So what is the value for a? So 2 is equal to 3 plus b. So our b here is -1, right? So we have now a and b. So in this time, we have to substitute here to the value, to the equation ax is equal to ax plus b. So what is our a? You have 3x and b is -1. So therefore, our equation is ax. And this is the answer for letter A. Okay. So this is the answer for letter A. So what is the nth term formula for the number of tiles in nth figure of the sequence? Okay, how many tiles are there in the 8th figure? So we have here A, 8 is equal to 3 times 8 minus 1. So this is 24 minus 1, that is equal to 23. So there are 23 tiles in the sequence. Okay, so this is the answer for letter B. And for letter C, which figure will consist of exactly 320 tiles? Let us have here the answer. So we have here the formula. So we have ax is equal to 3x minus 1. So therefore we have, in this part, we have ax, so we have 320 tiles needed. So we have here 3x minus 1. So 3x is equal to 320 plus 1. So 3x is equal to 321. So the value for x is equal to 107. Okay, so it means this is 107. So therefore, we could say that the 107th figure is composed of 320 tiles. So now we have answered letter A, B, and C. So this is by the use of the difference formula, the difference table, we could see what would be the next figure or the next term. So that's all about problem number 1. So we have answered A, B, and C. For this is for the answer for letter C. All right. So next proceed to number 2 problem. In number 2, assume the pattern shown by the square titles in the following figure continues. What is the n-termed formula for the number of tiles in the figure of the sequence, and how many tiles are there in the 10th figure, and which figure will consist of exactly 419 tiles? Alright, so first thing that we are going to do is we have to count the number of tiles here. So this is 1, this is 5, how many is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, and 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 16 plus 3, 19. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 4, that is 29. So these are the this is the sequence that we're going to have. So we have here 1, 5, 11, 19, and 29. So this is our f of x. Our x is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So first step is we have this difference table. Okay, so 5 minus 1, that is equal to 4. This is 11, 6, 19 minus 11, that is 8, and 29, that is 10. Okay, since no constant yet in the first difference, let's try second difference. So we have here 2, 2, and 2. So therefore, the constant is found in the second difference. This is quadratic. Okay, so this is quadratic. The formula for quadratic is equal to ax is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So this is the formula for quadratic. Okay, so since we have here a, b, and c, we need three equations in this part. So let's have first 1, 2, and 3. So let's have first when x is equal to 1. So when x is equal to 1, the result is 1. So our ax is equal to 1 too. So we have here 1 is equal to ax squared, that is 1 still, that is equal to a, plus b times 1, that is b, plus c. So this is equation number 1. When x is equal to 2, so the f of x is equal to 5. So 5, what is 2 squared? 4. So this is 4a, plus this is bx. So our bx is 2. 2 times b is 2b, plus c. So equation number 2. Alright. In equation number 3, x is equal to 3. Okay, so what is our f of x is equal to 11 is equal to, this is 3 squared, that is 9, so this is 9a, plus 3, so therefore 3b, and plus c. That is equation number 3. So now we have here three equations. So we could show the simultaneous equation or the system of linear equation in order for us to get for a, b, and c. So the first part is we have to combine. Okay, so we have to combine equation number 1 and equation number 2. So we have here equation 1 and 2. So by simultaneous, we have here 4a plus 2b plus c is equal to 5. And this is a plus b plus c is equal to 1. So subtract. So the resulting one is 3a plus b is equal to 4. So we come up with equation number 4. Okay, next we have equation okay 4, oh no, we have equation 2 and 3. Okay, 2 and 3, we have 9a plus 3b plus c is equal to 11 minus 4a plus 2b plus c is equal to 5. So we have to subtract this. So 9a minus 4a, that is 5a. And this is 3b minus 2b, that is plus b. And this is cancelled. So this is equal to 6. Right? So this is equation number 5. Since we have now an equation 5 and 6, and we could now get the A and B here. So we will combine equation 4 and 5. Okay, so equation 4 and 5 here. So we have 5A plus B is equal to 6, and 3A plus B is equal to 4. We have to subtract, right? So we have here 2A, cancel this part, they have 2. So A is equal to 1. So A is equal to 1. So we have to find any of the equation here, 4 and 5. So let's write equation 4. Okay, equation 4. So you have 3A plus B is equal to 4. What is the value for A? 1. So 3 plus B, it becomes 3 only, is equal to 4. So B is equal to 4 minus 3, that is negative 1. So now we have here A is equal to 1, B is equal to negative 1. By the use of equation 1, very simple, we have here A, A plus B plus C is equal to 1. So A is equal to 1, RB minus 1 plus C, unknown, is equal to 1. So 1 minus 1, C is equal to, so this is 1 minus 1. Okay, so 1 other, this is, what is the value for RB? RB is equal to 4 minus 3, that is positive 1. Okay, this is positive 1, so therefore plus 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. So C, 1 minus 2, that is equal to negative 1. So this, we have now the value for A, B, and C. So now the equation, based on the formula, we have ax squared. Go back here. So the equation, let us have answer letter A. So our equation now is ax is equal to x squared, because this is a, the value for a is 1, so x squared plus x only, because the value for b is equal to 1, minus 1. So this is the answer number 1. Next is problem number 2, question number 2. So how many tiles are there in the 10th figure? So just simply substitute. So a 10 is equal to 10 squared plus 10 minus 1. So this is 100 plus 9, that is 109. So A10. So our A10 is equal to 109. Next we have letter B, and this is letter C. Our letter C is which figure will consist of 419 tiles. Let us answer here, a big space. So we have the equation is x squared plus x minus 1, this is for letter C, is equal to 419 tiles. So therefore x squared plus x, this is minus 420, is equal to 0. So factor, so x is equal to x plus 21 and x minus 20. So therefore x plus 21 is equal to 0. X is equal to negative 21. This is negative. And x is equal to 20. So therefore, this is negative. So we will just not use that 1. So therefore, make use of 20. So therefore, the 20th figure figure will consist of 419 tiles. Okay, so the 20th figure will consist of 419 tiles. So that's all about problem number 2. So I hope you are here still. Okay, so now let's proceed with problem number 3. Okay, find the next number in the sequence and provide a formula for the nth term. So first is we need to have the first difference. Okay, so in the first difference, we have the value 2, 7, 24, 59, and 118. So we'll check here. 2, 7, 24, 59, 118, 207, and so on. Okay, first is we have to set for the first difference. So this is 5, 7 minus 2, 5. This is 17. This is 35. And this is 59. And this is 89. Next, we set for the second difference because we did not able to get for the constant row. So we have here 12, 18, 35 minus 17, yes, 18, 24, 59, minus 30, 24, yes, so check. And this is 30. So 59 must, still we did not able to find for the constant. So let's proceed here for the third difference. So therefore we have 6, 6, and 6. So therefore this is cubic because this is in the third difference. Great. So since it's a cubic, this is a formula for a cubic. Ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d is equal to or ax. So take note, we have here 1, 2, 3, and 4 variables. So therefore, we need 4 equations. So we need 4 equations. So first, we have here, this is our f of x, and this is our x. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we have 4 equations that we need to have this in problem number 3. So when x is equal to 1, when you substitute here the value for x in the general form, this would become a plus b plus c plus d is equal to the value for f of x is equal to 2. So therefore this is 2. So we have equation number 1. So next we have equation number 2. X is equal to 2. Substitute here 2 cubed, that is 8. So 8a plus bx squared, so 4b plus 2c plus d is equal to 7. So this is equation number 2. So let's proceed with equation number 3. So in equation number 3, x is equal to 3. So substitute here, this is 3 cubed, that is 27. So this is 27a plus 3 squared, that is 9, 9b. So plus 3c plus d is equal to, in x, 24. So this is 24. So we come up with equation number 3. So this is equation number 3. So when x is equal to 4, so let us have first, okay, so 4 cubed, that is 64a plus 16b because b 4 squared plus 4c plus D is equal to 59. So we have here equation number 4. So next, we have substituted using the formula. Next is we need to have a simultaneous equation in order for us to get the value for the unknown values. So let us have first equation 1 and 2. So we have here 8a plus 4b plus 2c plus d is equal to 7 minus a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 2. Subtract here, this becomes 7a plus 3b plus c, this is 0, and this is 5. So we come up with equation number 5. Okay, so this is equation number 5. So let's have equation number 6. How to get equation number 6? Let's have 3 and 4. It could be. So 3 and 4. So equation 3 and 4. So we have here 64a plus 16b plus 4c plus d plus 4c plus d is equal to 59 minus 27a plus 9b plus 3c plus d is equal to 24. Subtract here, this will become 64 minus 27, that is 37a. 16 minus 9, that is plus 7b. 4c minus 3c, that is plus c, is equal to 0. And this is equal to 59 minus 24, that is equal to 35. So we have equation number 6. So we have here equation number 5 and 6. So we need still an equation, another equation. Equation, we can have 1 and 3. So equation 1 and 3. Because we need to find for A and B first. So equation 1 and 3, this is simultaneous. So 1 and 3. So we have 27a plus 9b, alright, plus 3c plus d is equal to 24. So minus a plus b plus c plus d is equal to 2. Okay, so we have cancelled this part. So this is 26a plus 8b plus 2c is equal to 22. So we have here equation number 7. Okay. So next, we have to find for the next equation. So we combine first 5 and 7 so that we could cancel out C and we could find A, B only in the equation. So let's try. So we have 37, equation 5 and 6. So 37A plus 7B plus C is equal to 35. And equation number 5, that is 7A plus 3B plus C is equal to 5. So subtract. So we come up with 30A plus 4b is equal to 30. So this is 0. So this is equation number 8. Okay. So we have now equation number 8. So in this time, we have equation number 5 and 6, 1 and 3. So 5 and 6, we could have another equation so that we could be able to get for like this. Okay, so we have equation 5 and 7. Okay, in equation 5 and 7, okay, equation 5 and 7. So we have here 5 and 7, 26a plus 8b plus 2c is equal to 22 minus 7a plus 3b plus c is equal to 5. Alright, so the resulting of this one is 26. We have to multiply it first. Okay, so multiply in order for us to cancel for c multiplied by 2. So this is negative 14. Okay, we'll continue this part. We'll just copy. Okay, and the next page. Okay, in the next page, we copy this one as 26a plus 8b plus 2c is equal to 22 minus 7a plus 3b plus c is equal to 5. Okay, so in order for us to get, we could be able to extract c multiplied by 2, all equations. So we have negative 14a plus 6b plus 2c is equal to 10. So just copy here, 26a. Oh no, this is not negative because this is a sign here, minus 26a plus 8b plus 2c is equal to 22. So subtract 26a minus 14a, that is 12a plus 2b, cancel, and this is equal to 12. So equation number, okay, this is equation number 9. Okay, equation number 9. Okay, so next we have equation number 9 and equation number 8. So we'll combine in order for us to get for the value for our A or B. So equation, we have here equation number 8 and 9. So in 8 and 9, we have 30a plus 4b is equal to 30 minus 12a plus 2b is equal to 12. Okay, so in order for us to get for the value for a, we have to multiply all this term by 2. So copy first is 130a plus 4b will form a new equation by multiplying here. So minus, this is 24a plus 4b is equal to 24. Alright, so we have here 30, that is equal to 6a. Cancel, and this is 6. So therefore the value for a is equal to 1. So we have now the value for a is equal to 1. So by either of the equation 8 and 9, we have to substitute the value for a. So let us have first the value for A to be substituted in equation number, okay, this equation number 9. So when A is equal to 1 in the equation, 12A plus 2B is equal to 12. So 12A plus 12 times 1, because the value for A is 1, 2B is equal to 12. So 2B is equal to 12 minus 12. There's 2B is equal to 0. B is equal to 0. So therefore the value for our B is equal to 0. And now we have the value for our A and B. So we'll have to find any equation. So let's try equation number, okay. Okay. You can have any equation of this part. Equation number, this one. Equation here easy for to substitute because we have here A, B, and C. In this equation, we have to substitute the value for A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 0 in order for us to get the value for our C. So 7A plus 3B plus C is equal to 5. So 7 times 1 plus 3 times 0 plus C is equal to 5. So C is equal to 5 minus 7, because 7 times 1, that is 7. C is equal to negative 2. So we have now the value for A, 1, B, 0, and C is equal to 2. Let's have the first equation, because the first equation is the easiest equation. So now, we have here the equation A plus B plus C plus D is equal to 2. So what is the value for A is equal to 1, B is equal to 0, and C is equal to negative 2. So A1, 1 plus 0 minus 2 plus D is equal to 2. So 1 minus 2, so we have transpose here. So transpose, we have D is equal to 4 minus 1. So D is equal to 3. So now we have here the value for our A, B, C, and D by the use of this equation. AX cubed plus BX squared plus CX plus D is equal to AX. So we could now have the formula as AX. The value for A is 1, so therefore this is x cubed, plus the value for our B is 0, so therefore this is 0, x squared, plus the value for our C is negative 2, so this is negative 2x, and D plus 3. So therefore AX is equal to x cubed minus 2x plus 3. Alright, so this is the equation. So the question here is find the next number and the end formula. So this is our end formula, or the TH formula. So nth formula, or the x or n is the same. Any variable will do. So we have here, by the use of the 7th term, so we need to find the next term because this is 6th term. So we need to have the 7th term. So just substitute A7 is equal to 7 cubed minus 2 times 7 plus 3. Right. So 7 raised to 3 is 343 minus 14 plus 3. The A raised to 7 is equal to, by calculator, we have 3, 3, and 2. So this is all about number 3. So the equation is ax is equal to x cubed minus 2x plus 3, and our 8 or the 7th term is 332. So that's all about number 3. Find the next term in the following sequence and provide the formula for the nth term. Alright, so let's proceed with the try. Alright, we are now in the try this. So first is construct a difference table and find the next term and the nth formula or the xth formula. So we have here the sequence. We have -4, -1, 4, 21, 56, 115, and 204. So we need to find the next term and the nth formula by using the difference table. So guys, I hope you enjoy this moment while watching this video, and comment your answer here in the comment section. You can have comment your answer in the comment section. And also guys, if you have something to inquire for the next topic, you could just comment your uh, preferred topic to be discussed next meeting. Alright, so thank you so much for tuning into this YouTube channel, Kasaligan's Vlog, and I hope everyone you enjoy, and do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. God bless everyone, and if you share this part, and I know you will pass. Okay? Pag nag-share dito, makakapasa sa mga examinations nyo. So share, and God bless everyone.